Hello, everyone, and welcome to EduSpark. Today, we're going to learn all about adding and subtracting negative numbers. Don't worry if negative numbers seem confusing right now. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what to do, and you'll be able to solve them with confidence. So, grab a pencil and let's get started.
Before we begin, let's look at what we'll be learning today. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain what negative numbers are, add negative numbers, subtract negative numbers, solve simple real-life problems using negative numbers. If you can do these things by the end of the lesson, you've achieved today's learning goal. So, what exactly are negative numbers? Negative numbers are numbers that are less than zero. You can find them on the left side of zero on a number line. We use negative numbers in everyday life. For example, if it's very cold outside, the temperature might be -5 degrees. Some buildings have basement levels like level -1 or level -2. Negative numbers are also used when someone owes money. So whenever you see a minus sign in front of a number, it tells you the number is below zero. The number line is one of the easiest tools to help us understand negative numbers. Look carefully. Zero is in the middle. As we move to the right, the numbers get bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4. As we move to the left, the numbers get smaller. -1, -2, -3. Remember this simple rule. Right means bigger. Left means smaller. You'll use this idea in every question today. Now, let's learn how to add a negative number. Here's our rule. Adding a negative means move left on the number line. Let's look at an example. 5 plus -2. Start at 5. Now move left 2 spaces. 1, 2. You land on 3. So 5 plus -2 equals 3. Every time you add a negative number, imagine walking backwards on the number line. Let's try another example together. 4 plus -3. Start at 4. Move left 3 spaces. You arrive at 1. Now let's try a different one. -2 plus -4. Start at -2. Move left 4 spaces. You land on -6. Notice that every time we're adding a negative number, we're always moving left. Now for the part that many students think is tricky. But here's a simple trick. Subtracting a negative becomes adding. Let's say it together. Subtracting a negative becomes adding. Watch this example. 5 minus -3. First, change it into 5 plus 3. Now it's easy. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Whenever you see minus a negative, think, change it to adding. This little trick will make these questions much easier. Let's practice a few more. 3 minus -4. Change it to 3 plus 4. The answer is 7. Next, -2 minus -5. Change it into -2 plus 5. Start at -2. Move right 5 spaces. The answer is 3. One more. 6 minus -2. Change it to 6 plus 2. The answer is 8. Great job. Negative numbers are used in real life all the time. Let's look at 3 examples. First, temperature. If it's 2 degrees and the temperature drops 5 degrees, we calculate 2 plus -5. The answer is -3 degrees. Next, imagine you're in a lift. You start on floor 2. You go down 4 floors. Now you're on floor -2. Finally, think about money. You owe $5. Your balance is -$5. Someone gives you $8. -5 plus 8 equals $3. After paying back what you owed, you have $3 left. Let's review our 4 important rules. If you're adding a positive number, move right. If you're adding a negative number, move left. If you're subtracting a positive number, move left. If you're subtracting a negative number, change it into adding. These 4 rules will help you solve almost every year 6 question involving negative numbers. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try these 6 questions by yourself. Remember the rules we've learned today. When you're ready, press play and check your answers. Answers: 6 plus negative 2 equals 4. 8 plus negative 5 equals 3. Negative 4 plus negative 3 equals negative 7. 5 minus negative 4 equals 9. 2 minus negative 6 equals 8. Negative 3 minus negative 5 equals 2. How many did you get correct? Before you go, see if you can answer these 3 questions. What is a negative number? What happens when you add a negative number? What happens when you subtract a negative number? If you answered, a negative number is less than 0. Adding a negative means move left. Subtracting a negative becomes adding. Then fantastic work. You've learned one of the most important math skills in Year 6. Thanks for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to EduSpark, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.